These are all new plants that are a result of succulent beheading, or as I prefer to call it, succulent head chopping. I've got a fishing line here, and we're not going to go fishing. We're going to do some head chopping or beheading of the succulents. Hello there, my name is Liz, a self-confessed succulent addict. Welcome to my channel, Growing Succulents. So I'm going to take a piece. So this is a 6-pound line. So the thinner the line will be better, but this 6-pound is strong enough to chop off the head of our succulent. So I'm going to take a piece to say about 12 inches long. So this is a button. So you'll need 2 buttons. Feed that through. Doesn't matter what sort of button you have. It's just that way you don't lose your fishing line, because it can get away from you. And then just tie it up, do a couple of knots, and then there you go, and done. So now I've got 2 pieces of, this is actually dangerous, you know, look at that. So you're gonna have, so that way you can grab hold of it, the 2 of them. Okay, I've got my bluebird here, and this bluebird is also flowering. I'll remove the flower, get rid of that, take our string, and you want to have, okay, you want to leave some leaves in the bottom to let the plant have something to live on. And if you have some dry leaves, you want to take that off. There you go. So remove all the dry leaves. Okay, so I think we've got a fairly clean bottom. Yep, nice and clean. And what you're going to do now, or what I'm going to do now, is take my little garrote thing. I think it's called a garrote, isn't it, to cut it. So I'm just going to put it in my hand like so, put it on the other hand like so, and we have to go around. So I want to go to say, I want to leave at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 leaves in the bottom. 8 will do. But so you want to follow the line. Okay, so I'm just going to drop that one so you can see what I'm doing. So when we're cutting, I will tell you why. Okay, so from, there you go, down there, and okay, a bit more higher. So I just want to leave a little bit of meat for, okay, our plant to live on, because I will explain to you why. Okay, let's just get this out of the way first. Okay. There you go. Okay, so now, nice clean cut. And I also watered this earlier, so now I'm just going to dab tissue. Just get rid of the excess water, and you can't just leave it like that. You have to remove a couple of the leaves side to side. That will still hopefully grow, because you need somewhere for the new plants to grow. So that's why you have to be able to leave some leaves. But then now, okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, that one there. You have to be able to leave some stems, see? So that way the plant will grow from there or there on the edges. And so that one now, you can put it away, put it aside. And now this one as well that we chopped off, you need to dry it up off, and then it's same thing. The roots will grow from the base, but you'd want to have something for more roots to grow on the side. So you have to remove a couple of the bottom leaves as well, just side to side. There you go. So nice and clean. So that's a nice clean tip. And do more. And we've already cut that from the line as well, so you might as well remove that. because that one's not gonna grow. See, it's already broken off there. So anyway, so now that one, you're just gonna let it dry up. And so this is now a day later, and as you can see, the top of where we cut off has already dried up, and you can see that where I've removed some leaves is where the new plants is going to grow. So, and if I don't remove those leaves, the plants will have nowhere to grow. So if this plant was a little bit more mature and will have more stems, I could have removed more of the leaves, and then that way the plant will still grow from that. So, but the plants will naturally find its path anyway. So some of them will grow in the bottom and others will grow on top. As far as this is concerned as well, the reason why we have to remove the bottom of the leaves, as you can see, had we not removed them, there is nowhere for the roots to grow. So say for example, I put that back. So there's nowhere for the new roots to grow in. So that's why it's important to remove some leaves as well. And then that way you'll have thicker and healthier roots to come out of the bottom of this beheaded succulent or beheaded bluebird. And so now it's best to keep it in a bright, airy spot with no direct sunlight. So you can have bright light, but keep it away from direct sunlight. And that part, the bottom part, water it as usual. So if it needs watering, I will water it. So that's still fairly heavy, and it's going to take a few weeks before I would start watering it. So let it dry up, and when the soil dries up, then water it as if you're watering a normal plant. And then hopefully in time, the new babies will pop out. And the top part, and I will just leave it there and keep it there on the side until the roots will start growing. So it might take a few weeks, but be patient with it. It depends on the plant you are beheading. Some take roots quite quickly, fairly quickly, like say your imbricata, some agavoides, but the bluebird, this bluebird takes quite a while to root up. That's why I use the bluebird as an example. It can go for a long period of time without watering. As long as you water the bottom part, the top part doesn't matter. On the next part of this video, I'll show you how to pot up my rooted Echeveria bluebirds, and also how to pot up plants that are bought online. Thank you for watching, and you stay safe and healthy. Spreading out, and it's like so happy. It looks so happy and so healthy, saying, yippee, now I've got some water. And then that one is still really dry. So now I'm going to do another test just in front of you, just to show you, okay, that this is what happened. I'm going to split up my liquid here. And again, the same drill. I'm going to remove the dry leaf here.